So far I have followed by let's move on. My next target note is A. So again, the question is, what chords inside the key of C major have an A note in it? Here's my A. So of course, an A minor. I could also choose D minor, where the A is at top, or an F major with the A in the middle. That is a very bright sounding chord. I like that. And I'm coming up on my next change. My next target note is an E, the melody. And I have, so what do I want to land on? I could try E minor. That's nice and reflective, a little dark around the edges. I could try A minor. Also nice. Or I could try C. And out of those, I think I like the A minor. So I would move from and now I'm on my last line.